Guys, let me show you how I do hot towel shaving my clients behind the chair during the normal hours. It will be simple. I just wanted to show you how to start to finish a hot towel shave and all the benefits. He didn't want to remove length, he just want to remove the stubborn hair. As you can see, I'm going on the same direction of the hair growth, so I don't remove length. Now a little bit up just to clean more. I start with my half open to create one graduation line, then I start blending with the one, adjusting the lever, still blending that line. Take it off number one, I'm using 0 open, still blending the line, and I also already created another graduation line higher. So now I'm cleaning that line also, I'm blending. Now I'm using the trimmer to remove all the remaining hair. I'm creating that nice transition between the beard and the hair. Using the shaver to make nice and smooth. I'm using my detailer just to make the line. Don't go too far in, guys, just make it natural as possible. Keep cleaning that stubborn hair. Keep grooming and clean as much you can. On the mustache, the same. I'm not going on the opposite direction because I'm gonna take a lot of length, so I'm just cleaning downwards, following the direction of the hair growth on the mustache and the whole beard. Just turn him. I'm gonna do the same thing, exactly same on the other side. As you can see, I created the graduation line and I'm still blending with one. Cutting that stubborn hair on the same direction, going downwards. So now I'm using my 0 open to create another graduation line and still cleaning that line. Now I closed all the way to 0. Now I'm using my detailer to remove the remaining hair, shaver, make it smooth on the other side, the same thing. Again, the beard hairline, don't go more than that on the natural line, stays on the natural line of the hair. Still fading. Mustache, the same. Always groom the hair before you use your clipper. Always groom the hair in the same direction. As you can see, he's sitting. I didn't lay him down before I do everything, because if I'm trimming the hair will fall into his face, lips and nose. It's gonna bother him, it's gonna make him uncomfortable. So now I'm trimming around the lips. Don't go too far in, just clean, like very natural. That's a simple way to do it and very convenient. I noticed the other side was lighter on a chick. I laid him down. Now I'm gonna start the full hot towel shave. I put a towel on his chest so the hair doesn't go inside his t-shirt, and also all the products that I'm gonna be using don't stain his t-shirt. So now I'm gonna use my senior closed, will be my clipper all the way close to 0, just because the hair, the line that I want to create, the hair over there is kind of long. If I'm using my detailer, the hair won't go inside the blades and not gonna cut precisely. So also I always use my clipper first and then my detail. As you can see, I'm following the line that I created before towards the other side. If you notice, I'm doing like an arch. It's just because I want to create that concave beard. So now I'm using my detail again on the other side to fix any imperfection, remove the remaining hair. So I'm using a straight razor and a little bit of gel, shaving gel, right on the line. You don't have to shave everything. I just use right on the line. I create all my lines first before I shave the hair, before I do all the process that you guys gonna see me doing it right now. I'm gonna clean around his lips. His wife will be very happy. Make nice and clean. Just be careful because it's very delicate, that area. That hair around the lips, it bothers us as a man so much. So now I'm doing all his line first around the cheeks, mustache, neck, chin before I shave. As you can see, I'm not shaving everything. I'm just working on the line. Behind the ears the same, work it on the line. Under the neck the same. You see my blade's not going down towards the chest, it's just right on the line. I'm creating all my line first using the shaving gel only. I'm going in the opposite direction against the grain, just to make nice and clean that line. Same thing on the other side, as you can see. Guys, it's very important you clean around the lips. Very important. If you don't know, that area is very it makes us, the hair makes us very uncomfortable and itch. Still working on the line. He didn't want to go like all the way down with those lines. He wants more natural lines. On the opposite direction against the grain, just to clean more the line, make the line more sharp. Again, pay attention, I'm working right on the line. I'm not shaving yet. To shave a beard like his, or every type of beard, you have to prepare the skin first. I'm going to show you now how I do it. Against the grain again, I check the line against the grain, check the line if it's straight, check the line both sides on the check, make sure everything's nice and straight, nice and even. So now I'm going to use a scrub. Why I'm using a scrub, guys? The scrub remove all the dead skin, the dirt and oil from his face, and help you kind of make a little facial, peeling his skin, his first layer of his skin a little bit, and don't let ingrow hair under the chin. It does help with that. And also, after all the products that I'm gonna be using, it's gonna be nice and fresh at the end. And I apply one hot towel shave in his face first. Our hot towel shaves, we have eucalyptus scents. We do have a cordless massager in his face. It makes the client very nice, relaxed. We all work too much here, so we deserve that 30 minutes, 45 minutes of relaxation. Open up, scrub a little more, doing round movements, guys. That scrub will help a lot with ingrown hair. You don't imagine how much. His face will feel, he will feel very refreshing afterwards. So I remove all the scrub from his face. I'm preparing his skin for the razors that I'm gonna be using. I apply a little bit oil before the shaving cream, just because the hot towel shave with the oil makes the skin very, very smooth. Now I'm applying the shaving cream on top of the oil around his face. and under the neck. Another hot towel. I just created a little, I folded the tie because I'm creating like a steam in his face, and will make the hair nice and smooth to remove with the blades. Now you can come with the blade and finish it up, shaving everything again. As you can see, I'm going on against the grain. Now the hair is nice and smooth. I'm using the towel on his face and his eye because I have a light on the top of him, and the light is gonna bother his eyes. So I want this client to be very relaxed during I'm doing his beard. That's the reason they go to the shop. I'm using double side edge just to go against the grain and make that nice and smooth. You can also use your straight razor, but I'm using that one because it's on a daily basis. We have like 8, 10, 16 clients. It will be much easier and convenient for us, and also it's easy for you on the corners of the chin, and that makes nice and smooth. You go in all directions. As you can see, I'm stretching the skin right behind the blade all the time. The towel is still in his face, in his eye. He's nice and relaxed. He's about to take a nap. Now I'm finishing off cleaning his chest a little bit with my straight razor. There's no reason you're leaving hair there. So now I removed all the shaving cream, the excess of shaving cream. I'm applying a aftershave. That aftershave, guys, will make nice and refreshing, close the pores, kill bacteria, and also applying some vitamins on with the toner. The toner applying vitamin E, kill bacteria, close the pores, and what also is nice and refreshing because it's cold. It's very relaxed, this whole process. After the mist, I apply a balm all over his face. And what I do after I apply with round circles. So now I apply a powder, make nice and dry. And now, as you can see, the final result. If you like this video, share. Let's help someone out there.